Okay, on page 206, we're just going to quickly talk about doing problems involving trig and the calculators. And so, first things first, on your calculator, you need to go home and then press number 5 for settings, and then number 2 for document settings. And it should say right here that the angle measures in radians. If it doesn't, go down here and click the restore button. It's going to restore all the calculator features back to the settings that the manufacturer put on them, or you can change it. Just arrow up and then pick it and pick radian, and then when you get down here, press OK or make default. We're going to leave the calculators in radians. All the classroom calculators should be in radians at all times, and here's why. So if I go back and I pick a new document and I don't save and I add a calculator, first of all, to get your trig functions, you're going to press the trig button, and when you do, there's all your trig functions. So if I were to do number 1, I'm going to pick cosine, then I'm going to type 73, and then what I'm going to do is, you can do it a couple ways. You can press the pi button down here at the bottom. If you press the pi button down at the bottom, which is what I normally do, and you arrow down, there's a degree symbol. And so if I want to do 73, cosine of 73 degrees, I press enter. It's going to do that. I'm actually going to pick it, press control enter, so mine gives me the exact answer. And it says round to the nearest hundredth place, so this equals 0.29. So if I want to do let's do number 4. Number 4, I'm going to do trig sine 59. Press the pi button. To the nearest hundredth place is 0.86. And the reason we're going to do it this way with the calculators is the following, and we're going to talk about this more on the next couple of pages. But when you see an angle measure, if it says like cosine of 3.14, if there is no label on this, we assume in mathematics that's a radian, which we're going to talk more about. If there's a label on it, then we know what it is. All of these have labels on them. They have the degree symbol. So we need to get in the habit of always putting the degree symbol when we mean degrees, which is why we're not going to change the calculator. Because if you want to tell the calculator degrees, all you have to do is put that degree symbol in, and it overrides the fact that the calculator's in radians. Even though the calculator's in radians, you're telling the calculator sine of 59 degrees. And because you put the degree symbol, the calculator knows that it's degrees. So take a couple moments, pair up with a couple of friends, and complete this page. Then go back to Edmodo, and there'll be some more videos for you to watch for pages 207 through 209.